Okay, this is the Ritz Carlton Hotel Residences HV room, 11 kV. Okay, today I'm inside this room just to check the normal parameters to make sure everything is in good condition. Alright, here we have the VCB panel, transformer 1, transformer 2, transformer this is the incomer. So we have the protection relay. Okay, as we check, do make sure protection relay is in good condition. Calibration not expired yet. Okay, then check the total current consumption on the incomer panel digital power meter, about 40.8 amp. Voltage 6.2 times 1.37 can convert to 11 kV. Alright, then we have to make sure the safety parameters such as the tripping unit, battery is in good condition, voltage above 30 volt DC, charger function, rubber mat in place, fire extinguisher in place, CPR chart, electrical single line drawing, CO2 extinguishing system. The room is free from moisture and dry. Okay, then we'll proceed to another room then. Okay, I'm now at Ritz Carlton Residences Genset room. We're going to test run this genset using the same method remotely from the ATS panel. Okay, I'm going to jump the signal to allow the genset to start automatically and release the jumper wire and allow it to stop automatically. Okay, same as usual, I'm going to check the parameters visually before we test run the genset. Okay, let's check any leakages of oil. No leakages of oil. Engine oil, any leakages? No oil leakages. Radiator water, no radiator water leakages. Alright, this is the diesel tank. Alright, do identify which level. Okay, if you cannot see properly, use a torchlight. Let me get a torchlight. Alright, let's check where is the level. This is the level. Okay, so overall I have about 70%. Alright, 70 or 65% or 70%, much more accurate. Okay, make sure ACV is on. So let's just check this side, the battery. Okay, make sure battery water level all is full, good condition. Battery termination, this one requires servicing because some of the termination is quite corroded, rusted and oxidized. Services of the battery is required due to previously the termination is not being they don't have external film of Vaseline or petroleum jelly or grease to protect it from oxidization. Okay, let's check the terminal, make sure it's tightened. Okay, the cable didn't harden. Alright, this is a starter. Any burn mark? No burn mark. Starter solenoid. Okay, anything unusual? Let's see anything unusual or not before we test run. Okay, I can see some unburned fuel. Maybe previously they did run this genset without any load for a long time or period. Okay, let us check the engine oil. Engine oil full, sufficient. Okay, let's check the belting. Visually there's no problem, but as for the tension, need to put the hand in But however, during the running time, we'll see how much it vibrates. Okay, there's no obstruction on the fan. Now let us check the radiator water level. It's required to climb up. Okay. The water is clean, coolant available. However, there's some rust inside. Advised to do flushing for the next servicing. Make sure tighten back properly. Okay, let's climb down. Okay, after we have checked the genset parameters, come to the AMF panel. Make sure it's auto mode. Okay, auto, emergency stop release. Here we have a 40-watt meter. Okay, since here everything is auto, we're going to test run the genset. So now I'm going to jump the signal from the ATS panel. Let's go to the LV room. Okay, here we have the LV room. Let me take the jumper wire. Alright, this is the ATS panel. Currently, TNB power supply is on, genset is off. We're going to simulate a TNB power interruption by jumping two contact, which is normally close contact. By jumping that wire, it will give a signal for the genset AMF panel to start the genset automatically. As I release the jumper wire, it will initiate a shutdown to the genset in about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright. This is the ATS Ritz brand UVR relay, controller contactor, timer relay. Alright, I'm going to jump these two signals, which is normally close contact, terminal number 4 and number 5. Alright, to allow the genset to start automatically. This to simulate there's a TNB power interruption. Alright, genset is running. Let's check the genset. to run by itself, let's just check some other thing like the power factor. This is the MSB number 1 power factor. Currently the power factor is above 0.9. No step on. And for the MSB2, power factor is at about 0.95. No step on. Both MSB panel surge arrestor is in good condition. This is the surge arrestor. As well as MSB number 2. Both surge arrestor also is in good condition. This is MSB number 1 bus bar coupler, and this is MSB number 2. If MSB number 1 on and MSB number 2 on, the coupler must be off. Between these three, one must be off. Alright, now as we wait for the genset to stop, let us visually check the switch room. Alright, genset is stopped automatically by itself. Now everything has back to normal. Okay, before we close back the door at the genset room, let us visually check one more time. Make sure the genset physically is in good condition after running. Okay, no fuel leakages, no engine oil leakages, no radiator water leakages. Battery is in good condition. Voltage still okay. Genset can start, can stop automatically. That means cranking no issue. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.